Hi, my name is Graeme Connacher. I've worked for Ullswater Steamers for well over 30 years, but I've known the company for a lot longer than that, since I used to come to the Lake District from age 7. One of the things that we're here to talk about today is Howtown, and particularly the steamer pier and how important that is to the area. Now, Howtown is a very small hamlet located about 2/3 of the way down Ullswater, heading towards the north end from Glenridding, and only accessible really by a single track road with passing places. So over the years, the steamer connection to Howtown has been absolutely vital. One of the most important things people do when they come here is they'll walk back to Glenridding, which is a lovely 7-mile walk along the lakeshore. Howtown obviously connects to Pooley Bridge as well, because that's the next stop on the steamer going down the lake, and that is either an easy 4-mile walk or pushchair push down a nice tarmac road, or again there's other alternatives which take you way up into the fells. Now at Howtown there really is just one small hotel, very traditional, and it has a lovely tea room out at the back, which is indeed the gardens we are now sat in. The pier has been at Howtown right since the beginning of the steamer company back in 1853, when the pier was served by a very original steamer called Enterprise. So right at the very beginning, Howtown Pier was much smaller and also unmanned. There was no ticket office there, and it was really just a request stop. You literally put the flag up if you wanted the steamer to call and pick you up. As the years went on and Howtown became a little bit more developed, the company eventually replaced the very old pier with a slightly larger one, which served very well up until round about, I think, about 1990, when it was realised that accessibility really is the issue in the Lake District. And shortly after the millennium, the pier was extended slightly with a walkway and made a little bit wider. Now that walkway currently today has been replaced, so it's done a good 20-year service. At the time, there was funding from the steamers, which part of the tickets that everybody buys between Howtown and Glenridding goes towards the maintenance of the footpaths. And in partnership with the National Park, we put in a walkway which allowed for wheelchair access between the road and the pier. But the tickets that you buy for the steamers not only help preserve the wonderful heritage nature of our fleet, but also a proportion of that goes towards the maintenance of the path through to Glenridding, and of course our steamer pier, walkway and the beach at Howtown, making everything accessible. So when you are buying tickets, whether that's online or on the boat, you are not only contributing to the environment, but you are also contributing to the maintenance of the heritage of the area. And this is where every ticket counts.